So Hutson John Deere, man, I love that dealership here in Clarksville. Every time I called Hutson, they're there. And it's just amazing how they've always gone above and beyond for us. And I love the fact that they stand behind their equipment like we stand behind our work. And that means a lot to me. So my name's Dean Bouchard. My company name is AWT and NMB. Owned by me and my mother. We're co-owners. We're landscapers here in Clarksville, Tennessee. We do anything from hardscapes to drainage work to redoing front yards, backyards, or your landscape. I tell people all the time, if it comes to the dirt around your house, I probably do something with it. I'm hoping that in the future I can become one of these bigger contractors and have at least one crew working with us full time. Where we can do these really big jobs, because I love it. I love getting to go to a job site, get set up, work for a couple weeks, and really get to know those customers and talk with them. And we always seem to have really good customers too. You know, they brought us cookies today and water, and I mean, it's just awesome having customers like that. Our equipment, we're definitely on the small side for the equipment world. But sometimes, you know, I'm rubbing the sides of a fence trying to squeeze into an area, and we want to be able to get in with the small equipment, you know, go to where the other contractors won't go, and be able to get the job done correctly and solve their issues so that they're saving their house and adding value to it.